Hello, and welcome to the Clinical Liver Disease video series. Clinical Liver Disease is the digital learning platform and multimedia journal from the American Association of the Study of Liver Diseases. I'm Dr. Lisa VanWagner, an associate editor at CLD and an assistant professor of medicine and preventive medicine at Northwestern University in Chicago, Illinois. And I'm here today to talk a little bit about my editorial that is published in this month's issue of CLD called Introducing Clinical Liver Disease from Evidence to Practice, Summarizing Systematic Reviews on Hepatology for the Practicing Clinician. So let me tell you just a little bit about the background of where this new section in clinical liver disease is coming from. Did you know that over the past 20 years, that the amount of meta-analyses and systematic reviews has increased by nearly 4,600%, 4,600%, not 400%. That far outpaces the number of actual randomized controlled trials that have been published, which is about 140%. The biggest offenders of the spike in systematic review publications has actually been number 1 in hematology and oncology, and number 2 in gastroenterology and hepatology. This means that there are a lot of systematic reviews and meta-analyses that are of low quality, and it makes it very hard for the practicing clinician to synthesize the information and tell which ones potentially could change clinical practice and which ones potentially have severe flaws in the methodology. So our goal at Clinical Liver Disease is to help distill that information for you by publishing summaries of high quality systematic reviews or meta-analyses that have been published in places such as the Cochrane database or in high quality hepatology or general medicine journals in which the systematic review or meta-analysis has undergone rigorous peer review. You'll see a similar format throughout all these articles in which the key clinical question that's trying to be answered will be highlighted and what the bottom line is, as well as a table that distills how many articles were included, what the exclusion and inclusion criteria for the population were, and what the main outcomes are. These will typically be invited and published by a member of the original systematic review and meta-analysis team. But if you are interested in summarizing a systematic review or meta-analysis that you've read and want to reach out, please feel free to do so. And you can contact me at lvw@northwestern.edu or reach out to our editorial team, which is available on clinicalliverdisease.com. Thank you again for joining us, and we look forward to engaging in this important new series. If you want to learn more, you can go to cldlearning.com.